Dear, I done explain to you already. My office stay down here. The hospital so I can't travel. I must find that, you know. I can't move up and down. What you mean say Kamisha must come down here? She go come down here by herself? Our father that's it. Our father that's, you know. And she have to see him. Listen, I'm not do this studio today. But don't feel well. So if you want to pack up and go on, you know pack up and go on. Just know say, when you go, you not come back. Alright, dear. Bye. Come on.
Come here. Alright.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You know sound that way there a while ago. And who you argue with?
I don't really want to talk about that, Trevor.
And Dave, not true. You explain to him and make him know say the hospital tell you say you can't travel too far. Because you can't stay in a position too long. And the whole part jerking, the whole part turn.
Him no I hear that. Him just concerned why me have to stay down here and make that
So is what? Him know why if you carry me you would come see me.
Trust me. This not have nothing to do with Kamisha. The man don't want me road now.
So you feel threatened.
Trevor, slow your roll. I don't have time for chat away. Mr. Sullivan!
Yes, Margaret?
Can I come here a little bit, sir?
Come in.
No, what?
You need something in your stomach, you know. Remember, say you have to take the medication and them stuff then.
I don't want it.
Oh, you expect to get better?
Me no want it.
So you're stubborn. That's why you end up your son.
What the man they really say a while ago? I mean, Trevor really a blame for what happened to me. No, God. Mm. Mm.
Camille! What you do?
Want to lay down.
You mean you want to lay down? You couldn't lay down in another room that down there, so.
You're mad? The room where you're not so nice, you know? Love me, yeah.
Remember, say you're not supposed to even climb stairs, you know.
Well, lift me up there. I see you lift up somebody.
Camille, you're stubborn, you know.
Try you look here.
What are you going to do with you, you know?
Try to take time walk now. Feel like an old man. You're so rough.
Yeah.
Ease me up a little more. That's it. True. Something erased from my mind. When you said don't listen to me a while ago, but I'm stubbornness make me drop. When you say a careless girl cause it?